Hello everyone, it's Mario Plays Review, and today we are going to do another unboxing review. Today we're going to be reviewing Cat Toad. So, I just got this today, and they only had one available for Walmart. So this is the back of the box, and this, like, you can see the other characters on this part right here. Like, they even have Penguin Mario. That is so cute. Okay, so let's open it. That was easy. Do you see the detail on Cat Toad? Like, it's so cute. Like, you can even, like, move his arms, and you can spin his head. Like, that is so cool. And then even the accessory, it comes with a cat bell. Like, so Toad has, like, the ability, when he touches the bell, he becomes Cat Toad. Like, it's pretty cute. Like, so cute. Right. It's like my new cat. Cute. Looks pretty interesting. Well, that's just all for today, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Stay tuned for more reviews.